Alright, I'm going to be showing you how to use EMULATOR to exploit on Roblox. First thing you're going to want to do is go down to the description. All links should be provided there. Go to the first link, download EMU. Click it. Press yes to the option. I'm going to be closing this, but just press install. I will not be installing it for the purpose of this video. And then go to the second link. If you do not get redirected to Flux's team.net/Android, press Android, scroll all the way down, go to Flux's APK. I will not be able to install this or download it for the purpose of this video because I've made this video multiple times and I've hit my max. So I'm just going to close out of it. I already have it in my downloads and right here, so it does not matter. Now go to Roblox, the third link, and press free APK download. While you're using the APK, sometimes it does not work if you use the 1 mint straight from the Play Store. So next thing you're going to want to do is go to your movie player, and if you launch it, like I'll launch this one. If you launch it already and you want to change the settings so you get better FPS, just go to the top right and go to settings. I will not be doing that for the purpose of this video though, because I'll be making a new one. So once you're in these settings, I recommend setting this to high. If you do have a better, like a beefy computer, you can do a little more. Like if I go to my CPU by going to Task Manager, going to Performance, I have 8 cores as it says right here. It uses 6. I recommend only using half, and that's what they recommend, but I'm going to be using a little more because it does not really change that much for me, and I do not care. Memory, I have 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, so I would recommend using at least half. I'll be setting this to custom 6 and 8. Press save settings. Now, you can press save settings, but there is 2 other options you may want to change. There's the display resolution settings. You can make it actually like 1920 by 1080. I do not care for that though, because I just set it to big after. And then setting your frame rate settings to max. You can also just set it down if you scroll down a little more. Display frame rate, but it does not matter. I just set it to 40. Now launch it. Launching it for the first time may take a little bit, so give it some time. Alright, once it loads, I'd recommend downloading Chrome or using their web browser if one of the steps did not download for you, or if this next step does not work. So I'm going to go to downloads, just click on your Roblox, it's this file right here, and then Fluxus, and drag them into there. It should automatically install them after a couple of seconds. Once they install, just click on Fluxus, and it should start installing. Just give it some time though, because this may take some time. Alright, once you see this pop up, Roblox, do you want to uninstall this app? Press OK. It will install its own version. Once you accept this one, Roblox, do you want to install this app? Press install. After a couple of seconds, it should say open. Open it. I'll be closing the Fluxus tab in the top. Now, if you get this message right here, that is a good thing, but for the purpose of this video, I will be deleting it because some people will not get that. Like I did not the first time, so I'm just going to press delete, close, and you'll see what that does in a little bit. If your Roblox is not open, I would recommend relaunching your entire app. Just sign in or make an account. Does not matter. Alright, once you load in, just launch any game that you want to exploit on. I'm going to be doing Lumber. Alright, once you fully load in, I'd recommend going to your settings and making it how you want. I'd recommend turning down the resolution or graphic quality down to low or medium, manual, sorry, and then setting it to 1. And then doing your key system for Fluxus. I cannot do this for the purpose of the video because I already have this done, and it uses all the same one for Mumu. It uses all of them use the same one. But once you have your key system done, it's pretty straightforward. Just go to EXECUTOR, get any script that you're using, and since I am on emulator mobile, I can use this one for ButterHub. I do not have to use the mobile one. The mobile one's if you're actually on phone because it adds a GUI so you can actually see. And close the UI, paste it into it, and then execute it. And if you see this thing in the bottom left of your screen, for some reason that did not work. Don't know why. I'm just going to press run from clipboard. There you go. It worked with that. But if you see that thing in the bottom left of your screen, that is not really a good thing. That means it thinks you're on touchscreen. If you have touchscreen, then I don't know. But you do not want this. That means my WASD, they kind of work, not really. And right click. This is me right clicking right now. As you can see, I'm right clicking. It does not move my camera. I have to use left click. Okay, wait, what? Okay, I don't know. But here you go. I'm right clicking. There you go. And that's because I deleted the script up here. Some people may not have the script. If you do, you're done with this video. But if you do not have the script, what I'd recommend doing is creating a new one. Go down to the fourth link down below and download that, and then press that. Does not matter. You don't really need to do anyone, just anyone that lets you save, and then go to manage, and then import, downloads, and then click on this, and then delete the one that you have before because you don't want that on your screen. Press apply, and there you go. Now when I left click over here, I don't have it, and my keyboard works again perfectly fine. So there you go.